Japanese studio Wald has announced 2 upgrade programs for the Toyota Land Cruiser 250 SUV, aka Prado. An extreme body kit, common to both programs, and fundamentally different chassis upgrade options have been developed for the model. When exactly the upgrades will become available and at what price has not yet been reported. In both cases, the SUV will receive an exaggeratedly aggressive front bumper, a new radiator grille, a hood with an air intake, and several additional elements on the roof, a fairing at the junction with the windshield, and a rear spoiler. Additional diode light sources are used on the bumper and fairing. There are no images of the Prado's stern yet, but most likely Wald designed a diffuser and custom exhaust pipes for it. The wheel arch extensions are clearly visible in the announcement photos. In the case of the asphalt version of the SUV, they have large wheel rims with low-profile tires, while the very off-road Prado uses smaller diameter wheels with mud tires. In addition, the second program implies a noticeable increase in ground clearance. As far as can be judged from the official announcement, tuners do not plan to interfere with the Land Cruiser 250 power unit. Another extravagant body kit for the Toyota SUV was shown in May. The Liberty Walk studio developed a comprehensive body kit for the Land Cruiser 300, estimating it at $34,500, slightly higher than the base price of the SUV itself.